Hello friends, if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're part of the family, welcome back. For today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you a little vlog of my daughter's birthday party. It is March 31st today, and her birthday is March 29th, and obviously you fell in this whole quarantine phase that we're all going through. So she was so excited for her birthday. She had a countdown. She was like, Mommy, 2 months ago, 1 month ago, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 1 week, and we're like, oh my goodness, we can't really do what we were planning to doing, and we can't do what we were planning on doing before, which was a party. So I was like, how can we do this? And I was like, ding, maybe we could do a Zoom birthday party, and that's exactly what we did. So in this video, I want to show you just a vlog of everything we did that day and just the gifts that she got and how special we try to make it for her. So Saturday, what we did is that we asked her, okay, well, we really can't have a real birthday party, so just let us know exactly what you want and we will do our best to do it. So her wishes were, for breakfast, because we asked her, okay, what do you want for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? For breakfast, she wanted empanadas. So we did Venezuelan empanadas because we're from Venezuela. So I show you guys a clip of how we did empanadas for breakfast. Next, she wanted Starbucks, so we went ahead and did a Starbucks run. Actually, my husband did a Starbucks run with the kiddos, and Starbucks obviously is still open. The drive-thru is open, so we went ahead and got her Starbucks. She wanted a double chocolate frap, and we also let the lady know, or the young lady who was helping us out, that it was her birthday, and she gave her a little treat.
Hi, it's my daughter's birthday. Would you mind saying happy birthday to Lucia?
Happy birthday, Lucia. Just one moment.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day. This is
Okay,
for her.
thank you.
No problem.
Wait, Lucy, wait. K-pop from Starbucks. So happy birthday, Luge.
Lucia, show us what you got at Starbucks. What's your favorite drink?
I don't even know what it's called.
The double chocolate frap. And all the brothers are also reaping from these blessings. Yummy, yummy. Over here now we're gonna make some brownie hearts. I usually do the brownies from scratch, guys, but I love this mix over here. So yeah, we're gonna do these coming up. Next, for lunch, she wanted pollo tropical. So we have one right across the street, and obviously their drive-thru was open, so that is what we had for lunch. So for her birthday party, what she wanted, instead of a cake, she wanted chocolate chip mint ice cream. So we made sure to get that. And we also did some Ghirardelli's brownies. So we had the brownie and we like scooped a big thing of ice cream on top, and we sang happy birthday that way. And then for dinner, she wanted a chocolate shake, a banana chocolate shake. But we were honestly still so full from lunch, and we had just finished her birthday party, and we still had the cake or whatever it is that we made for her in our bellies that we honestly didn't even have dinner. We were so full. And as far as gifts, what she wanted for gifts was a Star Wars shirt, because she loves Star Wars. We've been really into Star Wars lately. So she got a Star Wars shirt, and she also got 2 lightsabers, because she wanted one, which we got, but then a friend of ours got her like the coolest one. She got her a Rey lightsaber, the blue one. Her favorite character from Star Wars is Rey. So so cool. She ordered it from Amazon, and we actually got it that day. Like, she was like, it's not gonna come till Tuesday, but that day we got a knock on our door, and sure enough, it was the Amazon package, and it was the lightsaber. And here we go. This is from the Sprouses. Whoa! Look! the noise and everything. Guys, we had gotten her this one. Where is it? We had gotten her this one, but now this one's gonna be mine because this one's so much better. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Look.
So let me see your sword. Let me see your sword. Does it make noise? What does it make? Ooh, who's that?
Chewbacca.
Who's that?
I don't even know.
Who's that? Tell me, what have you gotten for your birthday so far?
A Star Wars shirt.
Ooh, let's see it. Come here, let me see. Nice, okay.
A lightsaber.
How many lightsabers you get?
2.
Woo! That's right, Lucky. And we're all wearing our Star Wars shirts. Here's Papi. Papi, can we see your Star Wars shirt? Woohoo! Nathan, let me see yours.
And this lightsaber.
Oh yes, Nathan, let me see your. Can you tell me everybody on there?
I don't know his name. That's the only one I don't know.
Okay.
Boba Fett, Darth Vader, Chewbacca, R2-D2, Stormtrooper, Luke Skywalker, Yoda, and C-3PO.
Nice. Can we see Luki's shirt? Ooh, Luki's shirt is vintage. That's right. And Lucia, what do you have on your shirt?
An X-Wing. I don't even know what this is called. The Death Star and the Millennium Falcon.
Millennium Falcon. And I am wearing the Millennium Falcon shirt from Five Below. I love Five Below. So yeah, like I was saying, so she wanted the chocolate shake, and since we didn't get to do it that Sunday night, we actually did it Monday night for dinner, so that was kind of cool. Another thing she wanted to do was to watch her favorite Star Wars movie. And what was your favorite Star Wars? What was the name of it? Return of the The Force Awakens. The Force Awakens, which is the first movie of the last trilogy, where the character of Rey is introduced. So we went ahead and watched that movie. And then obviously her actual birthday party was through Zoom. So we went ahead and did that Zoom birthday party. We had most of the people that we invited show up. We had invited a few people actually outside of the US. We had a missionary couple that we love. Our friends come from Honduras. We had a friend of mine from the Netherlands show up, and we had all of my brothers and sisters, Oscar's sister showed up, and a few of our friends from church. And it was just super special. Particular things that we did throughout that Zoom party that I'm going to include in my Zoom video, or how to do a birthday party, you know, via Zoom that I did, just to make it super special. And at the end, we all sang happy birthday, and we all had a cake or some kind of sweet things in the other side of the screen so they can eat and enjoy after we sang happy birthday. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lucia. Happy birthday to you. Woo! All right, go ahead. Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lucia.
Cha-cha-cha, ooh la la.
as far as gifts, she also got money from us and from other people as well. So that made it super special for her to then just get whatever else she wanted to get. So yeah, guys, we made the best of it. And because like I said, some of us who have birthday parties or have birthdays coming up in this time period, I know I have one at the end of April. My birthday is April 30th, so I might have a Zoom party myself. But yeah, let's think outside the box and things and ways that we can fellowship and ways that we can do these parties without, you know, Luki, without breaking any rules and still keeping our social distance. Thank you. So yeah, guys, so that's about it. I can't think of anything else that we did that day. It was just super special. It was just super special. Again, things that she wanted to do, we did it. And at the end of the day, it was so cool because she was so happy. And she was like, thank you so much. And she was so grateful for all the efforts that we had put to make that day super special for her. All right, guys, that's about it. If you guys have any other questions, hopefully I didn't miss anything from the day that from everything that we did that day. And thank you, Luki. I love you. Let me go. Let me know, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. All right, now I gotta go because this little guy doesn't stop giving me kisses, and I love it. Yes. Yes. So Luki and Nathan, before I go, Luke and Nathan, I know, Luke and Nathan also reap some benefits in this party. Because Luke and Nathan got some lightsabers too. Why is this not working? Oh, it's wait. Here we go. So Luki got a green lightsaber and Nathan got a red lightsaber so that they can all play together. So they reap the benefits as well in this party.
Nathan.
Yeah. All right, guys, that's about it. We love you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself, and we will see you in our next video. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Hello friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It actually means the world to me that you guys actually take the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I have a few messages for you guys. It won't take long at all, I promise. All right, so number one, I accept prayer requests. So if there's anything that you are going through, anything that you want prayer over, just go ahead and contact me either through a comment below, an email, private message, whatever way that you want, so I can add you to a prayer list that me and my family have, and we pray for every single day. We have seen the power of prayer in our lives, and we want to share that with you guys. All right, number two, if you are on Instagram, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I go live Monday through Friday and I do a small devotional / Bible study anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, but it's just something that you guys can listen to throughout the day to get you connected to the Lord and to His Word. And lastly, number three, if you are not following me, totally subscribe, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I would love for you to join our family. We have so much fun here. I do my best to upload twice a week, usually Tuesdays and Fridays, and I do videos about anything and everything. I do beauty, I do fashion, I do recipes, I do about my life, I do hauls, I do some of my favorite products. Honestly, a little bit of everything where my kids are involved, and it's just so much fun. So I would love for you to join our family if you want. All right, that's about it. Thank you so much. Love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.